What's good? It's Mcnish. I'm back with another vlog, back with another vibe, back with another car and me. So today I'm heading out to Hamilton because there's supposed to be like a Honda Civic meet. So we're heading there right now. We got 19 minutes left till we get there. You see all this traffic. Like there's so much traffic. It's pretty annoying. Expecting to see some cool ass Hondas, some cool Honda builds. You know Hondas last forever. So we are almost there. Crossing the bridge. So I just pulled up and I didn't like record the drive in. I'm so sorry, but there's some crazy cars here. S2000. NSX is crazy. Nah, this color is crazy. It's a crazy color. What orange is this? This was the first car I ever had a Honda Prelude. This is fun. I've never seen this before. Type R, Integra. Oh, look at the shifter. Damn. This is fully built. This is fully built. Jeez. This is a wicked paint job. The steering wheel. This is tough. I love this Integra. I don't know what year this is, but this one is clean as hell. Look at the interior. Oh my gosh, I know it's fun as hell to drive this. The brake here. Porsche pulled up to a Honda meet. It's crazy, bro. Gotta show love to the hatch Civics, you know? The hatchback Civic. So much space in there. Right-hand drive Civic? Jeez. This is right-hand drive too, I didn't even realize. That's crazy. That's funny. The new Type R's are so fire. What do you guys think of the new Type R's? I love how it's like wide body. It's just big body, like this is how it comes stock. Except for the wheels. They put the wheels on theirs, but still, it's just big body. What color is this? The new Integras are so fire. I think it's about to rain. It's getting dark. So let me just try to get as much as possible. I feel like I should get my umbrella. So I'm gonna get my umbrella real quick. So clean. Track wheels. I don't know this shit goes. Ooh. The seats. Jeez. Look at that turbo. S2000s. Oh my gosh. I wish I could fit in one, but I can't. Look at the wheels. Competition model Evo. Rega Master. Look at that intake. Ooh, I rock with these side mirrors. These side mirrors are different. What? I've never seen someone really customize side mirrors because I feel like that's like a thing people don't usually do. But like this one has some cool side mirrors. S2K Kenny. Can't go wrong with the Honda Fit, man. That's sick. Look at the sound system in the door. Bruh. Red guts. I don't know what this is, but this is crazy. I know it's a Honda. Sick. I know this is mad cozy. Look at this. They just started working on this. You gotta see the split. The way you doing splits. No pants right then and right now. What the fuck is this? A 20v1? Was a prince to a king? He a son. I understand that there was nothing to me. Ooh. Oh, that's crazy. I thought he was in a straight going in there, but he didn't. A clean prelude. Very clean. Static. Like, cause this Honda meat's actually pretty tough, I can't lie.
Driveway of a nice house. Yeah. Yeah, it's your neighbor with a nice house.
What Civic? What Acura is this? So that's a wrap for the vlog. I want to say thank you guys for tuning into the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. This was a different type of car meet. Like usually I go to meets that have a bunch of cars, but this is specifically a Honda meet. I also forgot to show you guys the Supra. The Supra is here, parked up in the cut. I parked over here because this is a Honda meet. You know, I want to keep it strictly Honda. You know, obviously, but yeah. If you guys enjoy the vlog, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share to your friends. And yeah, Mcnish out.
Wow, that shit ain't really my problem. Saying how we gon' solve it. Ain't no way to be honest. My conscience kick it with commas. I turn the investments to commas.